Hi, welcome. We're going to do some chair yoga today, and we're going to focus on our sense of worth. A lot of times we think we're not good enough, we don't have what it takes. We let social media and what others are saying disrupt our flow, our energy. So let's start by coming to stillness, focusing on our breath. And I'd like for us to put our hand on our heart, both hands over the heart. Maybe sit back a little bit. Focusing on our heart chakra, which is not surprisingly in the heart area, which is a color green. I want you to picture yourself as if you were glowing. Picture the color green emanating from your heart as a beacon of light. And having that light come out of your heart and expand all around you. From the top of the head all the way to the bottom of your feet. Feel as that energy expands around you. It's a warm glow. It feels like a warm hug. Like a nice cup of tea or coffee on a cold day. Giving you reassurance and love that wherever you are in life, that is where you need to be. And you are guided to all the things that are good. I want you to take a few breaths there. Good. Gently bringing our hands down to our thighs. Opening your eyes if you had closed them. I want you to say out loud or in your mind, I am worthy. That's going to be our affirmation for today. I am worthy. One more time. I am worthy. Beautiful. Bring the hands to the sides. We're going to make a fist on an inhale. And on an exhale, we're going to release that. Inhale, making a fist. Exhale, releasing. Big inhale. 3 more of those. 2 more. One more. Good. Bringing the hands to the lap, we're going to work on our neck. Gently looking up to the ceiling. And bringing our neck slowly towards our chest. Continuing to move slowly and mindfully. Once more. Good. Gently bringing shoulder to ear or ear to shoulder and holding there for a moment. And back to center, going to the other side. And back to center, doing that one more time. Ear to shoulder. Back to center, other side. Coming back to center. Good. Grabbing onto the chair, we're going to lift our leg, going from side to side. Good, coming back down. Bring the arms by the side. Big inhale, we're gonna lift the arms up above, finding length in the spine. Exhale, we're gonna come down into cactus arms. Sitting nice and straight. We're gonna bring the hands together and then open them up. Opening the chest here and closing and opening. Inhale, close. Exhale, open. Moving with your breath. And bringing the arms down. You're going to shrug the shoulders, bringing one shoulder up, one shoulder down. Good. Now we're going to cross the hands, the arms. We're going to bring them up as if we're taking off our shirt. So we're going to lift them up and we're going to massage our arms and release that out. Crossing the arms, bringing them up, opening and release. Crossing the arms, bringing the elbows up. Good. And release. This is a good exercise if you have lymphedema in the arms. Gently massaging our arms as we go up. Once again, pointing the elbows up. And taking a breath. Crossing the right leg. We're going to bring it up high if that's available to you, and we're going to rotate the ankle right there. Feeling the cracks and pops. Good, and in the other direction. Good, and bringing it down. Bringing the other foot to cross. Left leg crosses. Rotating at the ankle. And in the opposite direction. Bringing it down, taking a breath. Inhale, bringing the arms up above. This time I'm going to grab one arm and I'm going to come to the side for a stretch. I call this sundial. Let's hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the arms, shrugging the shoulders. Inhale brings us up, other side. Holding there for 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the arms, shrugging the shoulders. Do that one more time. Grabbing onto the wrist and leaning towards the right. Feeling that stretch in our back and arms. Holding. 3, 2, and 1, releasing, taking a breath. Inhale brings us up, stretching towards the left. And holding here for 3, 2, and 1, releasing the arms, taking a breath. We bring our arms up, coming down into cactus arms once again. This time we're going to lower one hand and we're going to bring one hand to the back of the neck. We're going to point our elbow up if that's available to us. And maybe bring our gaze to look upward. If that doesn't feel comfortable for you, you don't have to look up. Let's hold there. Continuing to breathe, don't hold your breath. For 3, 2, and 1. Releasing that arm. Shrugging the shoulders. Other side, bringing the other hand behind our neck. Opposite hand points down. Bringing the elbow to point upward. And looking up at the ceiling, if that's available to you. And holding there. For 3, 2, and 1. And bringing the elbow down. Shrugging the shoulders once again. Bringing the hands together into prayer hands. Sitting nice and tall. Anchoring the lower body. We're going to move just the hands, just the upper body. Moving towards the right. Holding here. Bringing it back to center, taking a breath. Moving towards the left and holding here. And bringing it back to center, opening the legs. We're going to bring the hands to point down. Coming down as far as you feel comfortable. And holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing it back towards the chest, bringing the legs together, taking a breath. This time we're going to bring it overhead to the top of our head. We're going to hold it there for 3, 2, and 1. See if you can bend your elbows and point them towards the back of your neck. If not, that's okay. Bend to wherever you feel comfortable in doing so. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the arms down to your lap once again. Taking a breath here. Working with the legs, I'm going to bring up my left leg and extend it out. Bring it back in. 2 more of those. Good, and bring it down, tap it on the floor. Bringing the right leg up, bringing the bottom of the foot towards the front, bending at the knee, taking a breath. 2 more of those. And down. 1 more. Down. Good. Stomp it out. Good. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again.